Here's how AI is helping doctors make better health diagnoses. Doctors see a lot, but doctors can't see every possible permutation, and they don't necessarily see the rare cases very often. And if they've never seen a rare case, how can they be expected to always be able to diagnose that 1 in a million scenario? Meanwhile, because AI is trained on such vast knowledge base, they can act as that second pair of eyes, reviewing an X-ray scan or reviewing an MRI scan and potentially picking something out that says, hey, this looks weird and this is really worth a second look by the actual human doctor. So I think that's a really interesting example of how AI can augment the doctor capabilities. But there's another use case as well, which is this idea of self-diagnosis. And we've all gone to Google in the past to search for a variety of symptoms. And oftentimes what happens when you go into a search engine is you're finding the disease that has the best SEO rankings. So even something as simple as a sore throat, taken out of context, could lead you down this rabbit hole of thinking, oh no, maybe I have cancer. Meanwhile, it's that cancer is a large category of disease, and there's a lot of research and a lot of emphasis, and so there are going to be a lot of search results on that. So there is a startup, AV, and what they're doing is they're training these large language models specifically on health conditions and symptoms so that individuals can go type in what they are currently struggling with and then get some pointers and recommendations of things for them to look at. Obviously, this is not going to replace going to your family doctor or going into emergency rooms, but for those who live in remote parts of the country who don't have the ability of driving 5 or 10 minutes to be seen by a healthcare practitioner, this may be a better starting point for an individual than a straight up Google search, which may have them panicking to no end.